back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? So this thing here is my unripe plantain. This is how I preserve it. And who taught me this method is my mother-in-law, because sometimes I do have my mom sends plantain to me. Like, I wouldn't know how to preserve it, and you find out that everything will just ripe at once, and I don't know how to manage it. So my mother-in-law came around one time. I was like, now I'm wasting all this. That this is what to do. Just put the plantain in a bag, a poly bag, put it inside your fridge. It will remain fresh. Like, this thing has stayed here for like, let's say, it's getting to 2 weeks. It's still very fresh. So this is trick number 1. So I'm making just this. I think 4 pieces will do. So the next thing I will do is to always wash your plantain, like wash it like this before you start peeling it. So I'll wash it. I've washed the plantain. I'll come back. You'll be wondering what this is. What this is doing here, like for plantain porridge. Don't worry, I'll show you what I want to use it for. So I have my blended crayfish, my smoked fish. You can use more than one. This is what I have. My tomatoes. I like my plantain porridge saucy, so it's tomatoes that give it, that sauciness or that juiciness. So fresh onion, scotch bonnet, and my vegetables. I've already washed the vegetables. That's what it's looking like. As if it's not fresh. And bouillon cube. Of course, I will use salt for this meal and red oil. When it's time for those ones, you will know. This is what I'll be using. So I'm using the margarine. You can use butter. I don't know if I'm the only one that experiences will I say browning of fingers after peeling plantain, especially unripe plantain. So research said that this helps. Either you do it while you are peeling or after you have finished peeling your plantain, but prevention, they say, is very well than cure. So I prefer to do mine before peeling. This plantain is so strong. That's wonderful. See, unripe plantain is my best. Like, if I want to eat plantain for its health benefits, I go for unripe plantain. Ripe, I'm not saying it's not healthy, but it has lost some of those. Unripe plantain contains folate, other, iron and all that. And all these things are good for especially pregnant women. All those things that are needed for the baby to develop well. So this is another thing I do that make me enjoy my plantain. I like it thinly sliced. Like, I don't like bold plantain cuts. anything porridge, be it yam porridge, plantain porridge, potato porridge. I like slicing it so thin. So that the ingredients will really enter into it. I eat this regularly when I'm pregnant, like it becomes my everyday meal. Even if it's not every day, either unripe plantain porridge, vegetable sauce with enough liver. There's another meal too that I know, breadfruit. Yes, African bread. That is a okwa porridge. I so much enjoy this meal, especially when I'm pregnant. And it's like I'll be this week, this period I would be doing pregnancy meal series. Like after this I will do another episode that should be okwa. All this I enjoy them when I'm pregnant. So get ready, anticipate for more videos like this. Already I'm boiling water, like there's water in the pot I'm using to cook this food. So this is to, hasten the cooking process. So this is my water. It's boiled already, so I'm adding in the plantains. Why I like boiling the water first, because I notice sometimes if I just put it directly into cold water, like after cooking, it somehow sticks to the pot. Like I don't like how it turns gummy. So I prefer boiling the water first, so that with that temperature, with that high temperature, everything will just be now. So everything will be like this. Now you see it. It's not sticking to the pot. So as you know, I slice this plantain like so tiny. You don't need to waste time putting every other ingredient for this. Here is my tomatoes and onion, pepper. I sliced everything, putting in. This meal is Obalando, fresh blood. Don't start drinking ferals and the likes. My salt, I add salt at the very beginning, so that as the plantain is cooking, the taste, everything enter into it. So the next I'm adding is bouillon cube. This. Don't stir the content, you just leave it like that. Just be adding everything at the top. Don't stir. So this is my already cleaned fish, pirate fish. So we will leave everything to boil very well, like boil to bust here. See our plantain porridge. Guys, let me taste. This is the point. At this point, please don't turn. I just tasted. Wow, this is so nice. There's no need to add extra salt or whatever. Fresh fish. mixing everything pickle. Still don't turn. One more thing before we add our vegetable. Red oil. Just little red oil. I know you'll be tempted to stir. Please don't stir. Stay covered. Let everything cook properly. Hey, why did I even open this box? I shouldn't have opened it because you have not subscribed. I will not show you this. Now I won't show you. Now, in fact, I have another trick, a tip. I have another tip to tell you about plantain. I will not say it. I will not say because you have not subscribed. Imagine I gave you tip number 1. That is how to preserve your plantain. To prevent it from getting ripe at all at once. Second tip, okay, look at my hand. See, will you believe that I just finished peeling and cutting unripe plantain? I told you use margarine or butter and all that, but still it's not subscribed. In fact, I'm not giving it my plantain. Because subscribe. I don't know what they are waiting for. If you're not part of this family, I don't know what again you're waiting for. Guys, look at how again should unripe plantain porridge be made if not like this. Even though I have other unripe plantain recipes which I will still upload here, how to make it plain and then sauce, all those things. But for this one, it is giving. See, it is saucy. It is, in fact, even kids will enjoy it. I don't know if you can hear my son's voice at the background. He's happy because of this plantain porridge. Because if I made it, even kids would enjoy it. It's not those sweet and very strong. This is my own. The way I love it too. I'm not saying that the way you make your own is not nice. Don't get me wrong. I'm just showing you how I make mine, and it's been working for me. We are done like this. Oh yeah, look at my pot. It did not burn though. It did not burn. Everything is just coming out because of the trick I use by not stirring and stirring and stirring. Okay. Emechagum.